Hey, I am Ruby and you are watching my channel. I am Ruby. Look, no matter how much time you waste on YouTube, no matter how much effort you put in, if you don't make money from here, everything is useless. And to make money, it is very important for you to monetize your channel. And the biggest problem in monetizing comes, which comes first and then also. That is, you are making the channel monetize. It is not monetized. It is written that the reuse content problem is not monetizing. Your channel, you somehow got it monetized. Even later, this problem comes, and the channel is demonetized. Because people do not have the right knowledge about reuse content. No one does the right guide. But in this video, I guarantee you that I will tell you all the new updates, all the new rules. I will tell you everything. Because of which you will never have a reuse content monetization problem. You just have to watch a full video. If you have any doubt, you can always comment. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel, because this video is going to be made in full detail. It will take a little time, but you will be at ease for the rest of your life. That friend, monetize my channel. You will never come into the problem because of reuse. First of all, let's understand. I have written a lot of points here, which I have written by combining my experience and the new policy of YouTube. Friend, what is reuse content actually? It's a simple thing. When you reuse content on your channel, then only you get a problem, but you don't even know what reuse content is. So the simple thing is that the small clips that you take from somewhere, they are edited and there is very little narration. Very few do or do not do. Such videos are 100% reuse content. I will tell you the example, like you took something from the movies. Took the content of sport, the gameplay, took the small clips, edited and put it. Editing is not a value addition. You will have to do voiceover and so on. This is the first example. Now let's talk about the second. You are running content on other social media, shots content, that you took a lot. You took 10 shots video. You edited them, combined them, and made a big video and put it in. That is also a reuse content. You don't have to put it in. Apart from this, one more thing is the collection of songs. Collect a lot of songs. Take songs of different artists and make a collection and put it in. If you also have permission to use these songs, if you have taken permission in some way, then also it is a reuse content. You cannot monetize it. Apart from this, what is here, that suppose there is any such content that many times, many creators have already uploaded, you will know that there is no strike on it. All you have taken this content and neither edited it nor commented on it. Then also, it will be a reuse content. If you will do commentary and so on, then you will be safe from reuse content. Apart from this, promotion of other people's content, even if you have permission, and promote our content. The content is theirs, not yours. You took permission for the promotion. Even then, if that content is not yours, then you will definitely face the problem of reuse. Apart from this, there are many online sources from where you can get videos. You copy them. They don't make any good changes. They don't change their appearance. And you put it on your own. Even then, you will face the problem of reuse content. Apart from this, let me tell you one or two simple things. If you don't comment on any content that you didn't shoot, then you face the problem of reuse content. Apart from this, you went to watch a program somewhere and the program was going on at that stage, you recorded it on your own phone, and you thought, this is my content, I have recorded it. Or you recorded a program that was going on TV. This is also reuse content. You don't have to put this at all. Otherwise you will definitely face this problem. So, this thing has been cleared. What is actually reuse content? Now, here are a lot of things that you can use of others. You can use it again and again. You won't get reuse content. You won't get it. For example, you can use the same intro and outro in a lot of videos. You won't face any problem with this. For example, the intro and outro are 10 seconds long, but the bulk content in between should be different for every video. Then you don't have any issue with reuse. A lot of people have asked this. Apart from this, a lot of people ask that the logos and so on. We put the same in every video. There's no problem with this. Apart from this, there is one more thing here. That any content that you have, any content, any dialogue, or any such dialogue that you say in every video, some content that is 10 seconds long, you put it in every video. There will be no difference with it. In a 5-minute video, if the content of 4 minutes is also different from your own video, if you are putting different content, then you will not face any problem with reuse. But what is reuse content? You have understood it clearly. Now let's talk about what happens if you don't know the basics of reuse content. If you don't follow all these policies, then you will face the reuse content problem. Now, when your channel is not monetized according to the reuse content, and you get the mail of reuse content, you understand. Now how to get rid of it. As soon as you have a problem with reuse content policy, then you will get a mail. So, you will get the first option to appeal. You can appeal. You can also appeal video. You can make a video and tell the YouTube team, "Brother, my content is mine. I made a commentary on it. I have added this value to it." If they have given it to you by mistake, they will get satisfied with your appeal. They think that you truly have added any value in this video. So, they will remove your reuse content. Otherwise, it will remain as the reuse content. So, here's a simple funda. I explain you the whole policy. As soon as you have a reuse content problem, first of all, you will get the option to appeal. You can appeal. Then, what will happen to you? You will get 14 days, 2 weeks, 14 days. In those 14 days, the YouTube team will respond to you by reviewing whether you are right or wrong. If you are right, then in 30 days, your reuse content will be approved again. If your appeal is rejected, they will say that what you have done in the appeal is not right. You are actually using reuse content. Then you will have to wait for 90 days. You will be able to reapply after 90 days. So, you will get ads for 90 days, but you will not get money. You will keep 100% money on YouTube or AdSense. You will not get it. But here is one more thing that I will explain to you. Now, a new policy has come. This is a completely new policy. What will happen in this policy is that now you will be notified in advance. For example, you are using reuse content on your channel, and the team is reviewing your channel. And in the coming time, if you want to solve the problem of reuse content, then it will notify you in some cases in advance. It will tell you in advance that your channel's monetization is going to be suspended. If you get any such notification, then what you have to do is, if you get any notification, it will tell you that your channel will be suspended on this day. So, what you can do is, tell them the date that this date will be suspended. From that date, you can appeal 7 days before. If you think that my channel is good, I haven't used any reuse content, then why are they giving me a notification that we will suspend your channel's monetization on that day? If you think that you are right, then you can appeal 7 days before. If your appeal, understand carefully. Also, the team will respond within 14 days. The team will respond within 14 days. The team will take a decision. There will be a good thing in this. If you get the first notification that this date is being suspended because of your channel reuse, and you have made an appeal, so your monetization that was going to be suspended, that date will be postponed, and you have to wait for 14 days. Within 14 days, the team of YouTube will tell you their decision. If your appeal is rejected, then you can't reappeal again. Keep in mind, if once the rejection is done, you get rejected before being suspended, you can't reappeal. Keep this in mind. And if, let's assume, what else can you do? You can't appeal. You have to wait for 90 days. After 90 days, you will get the option to reappeal. Let's assume your appeal is approved. Then the suspension of your channel will be continued, and your monetization will remain the same. Understood? Your channel will not be demonetized. This is a completely new update in reuse. Apart from this, there is one more thing. You got a notification, and you haven't appealed at all. You don't have the knowledge. Whatever happens, then, that date, your monetization will be disabled. It will be suspended, and you will get a mail about the policy of reuse content. Your channel's monetization is being suspended. Then you will get 21 days. After 21 days, within 21 days you will be able to appeal again. You will get 21 days to appeal. And how many days will the team respond? It will respond within 14 days, and if it is approved, then fine. And if it is rejected, then you will have to wait 90 days to get monetization again. So this policy of reuse content is very complicated, but I have tried to explain it to you in simple language. If you still don't understand anything, I will make the next video. See you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.